Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys a toy gun, and I still have my pajamas on because it is still early in the morning. So yeah, guys, here it is. It's like wooden, you know. Let me go on the couch. Ooh. Yeah, so it's like wooden. So in reality, it's not really that much a toy gun, cause like it can shoot rubber bands. I know, cause it doesn't shoot rubber bands right now, cause you have to put a rubber band like right here, and then when you do this, lets go of the rubber band when you push it, and then bam, it flies. I know. I wish I could show it to you guys, but I have no rubber bands. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I have no rubber bands, but I'll try to find some, I guess. And when I find some, I'll show you guys. Well, maybe if I find some. But, anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please do leave a thumbs up. Bye.